Start हो गया.
Gato, sir, come. We'll have a walk in the butterfly park here. Okay. Now this park was it kept into my mind for the last 4-5 years, and I wanted to give it to you, students. And now we have more than 125 species of butterflies visiting this park. You know, it is all over the season, not in one day, but in a day you can see 10 to 15 species of butterflies. Okay, we have a whole actually very good combination of these nectar plants and larval host plants. Both are there in the campus. I try to show you some caterpillars also. This plant in front of you is called the Pnemna ceratifolia, and this is a beautiful nectar plant which is native to India and places like India in South Asian countries. And this is a very good nectar plant which attracts butterflies throughout the year. There are butterflies sitting there. These bees are there. These are bees. Some wasps and bees are also there. Now, if you see there in this plant, you can see butterflies. Can you see? These are common emigrants. I told you the common emigrant. That is the common emigrant. It's flying around. Okay. There will be more common emigrants. See, this is tail jay. I told you tail jay. Remember tail jay? And this is a tail jay. Tail jay. It breeds on what? It breeds on Ashoka. Ashoka plant. Common jay and tail jay. I told you, na? And you can come here. So there are butterflies here, and you see, this is again another same plant, your Pnemna ceratifolia. This is Ixora. We have planted Ixora. Can you see Ixora? It's also very good.
Sir, phone आ रहा है.
It's also larval host plant of a butterfly called monkey puzzle in the Western Ghats. The butterfly name is monkey puzzle. I'll show you the butterfly photograph soon. Okay. Now this is a blue, but monkey puzzle is a blue. Now this is pentas. This flower is pentas, and this also attracts a lot of butterflies. We have got 2-3 colors of pentas. This is pink, this is white, and that is purple color. Okay, and we come around. And this is Saraka Ashoka.
Sir, phone आ रहा है sir.
Ashoka, this
Phone.
This is Saraka Ashoka, and this Ashoka plant is basically it is an Indian native plant. That is false Ashoka I am talking about. That is what this is actual real Ashoka. Is also a larval host plant for many butterflies, and it gives you orange flowers when it blooms. Very orange colored flowers, and they are attracting a lot of butterflies. Okay, and you can come here. This is called the Sapindus soap nut. This is a soap nut tree. Soap nut tree समझते हो क्या? For coloring hair and for not coloring, for making hair good, looking good. So that soap nut, this is the soap nut is the fruit of this plant. We use it, and this is also very good. Like I said, it is written here. It is indigo flash can breed here, and there are other butterflies which also breeds on soap nut. Okay. Now we come here. This is Asclepius. This is a milkweed plant, and this is the larval host plant for plain tiger, and they breed throughout the year. You will soon see them breeding on the campus. This is also a host plant for a beetle here. Can you see this colored beetle here? Beautiful, beautiful beetle. And this is cinnamon. This is the host plant for common mine. I showed you mine. So this is the host plant for mine. Okay. And come further down. This is lemongrass. This is lemongrass. On lemongrass, we have reared a Hesperides, the skipper. This skipper is called a dart, and we have reared the host plant in this particular host plant. Come. We'll see some butterflies also, don't worry. Okay, that butterfly you're flying here, can you see one butterfly, small one? Yeah. Here, come here.
So can we come?
Yeah, come. There's a butterfly sitting there. Can you see that butterfly?
Where, sir?
Huh? That butterfly is called a common cerulean.
Where, sir?
That one. Oh, that one. Here.
Yeah.
That is a common cerulean. Okay. That breeds on your Hongemara. This is another very good nectar plant. Very big. It's also very good nectar plant, and lot of butterflies come to this plant. Come here. We'll go down. We'll then come back. Okay. Can you see a beautiful mushroom here? Can you see the mushroom here?
Yeah.
It is edible mushroom. Yes? Huh?
Yes, sir.
It's edible mushroom. This plant is called Calotropis giganticus. This is Calotropis, and this is the host plant for larval host plant for plain tiger. Plain tiger breeds on this. Along with that Asclepius, it breeds on. There is another plant here, very interesting. This plant is called Buttercucca volubilis. It is the host plant for blue tiger. Blue tiger caterpillars can be seen if they breed here. I don't know, I can't find the blue tiger caterpillar. If they will be lying under the leaves, and If they are there, you can find them. Otherwise, you know, it's season I think over. I can't find any caterpillars here. So you can come and see. The feeding pattern is like this. The leaf is like this. It is eaten from behind. So they make a hole here. Okay, that's how they feed. And this plant is I told you about Banni Mara. Banni Mara is a sacred plant for Kannadigas. Okay, and no, this is not Takmi not. Banni Mara is acacia species, and this is the host plant in the campus in the month of November. Anomalous club come and breed here. In the November month, you remind me, I will show you the caterpillar on this plant. Okay, Banni Mara. This is called butterfly bush. This is called butterfly bush. It's a very good nectar plant, and it breeds in the winters. It breeds in
Butterfly.
Okay, there is a emigrant there. It is resting. It's a female emigrant there. Can you see that? Now it is not flowering. It will flower soon. But don't worry, it will come. It will come back. Okay.
उधर क्या जा रहा है निकल
You know what is the plant is called? This bear, na? Bear, you know? That sweet fruit, bear. Gigi-pas we call. So bear is a host plant for few butterflies, including common pero. And how you will understand that they are breeding here because of these leaves. Can you see the eaten leaves here? They don't eat the full leaves. Can you focus the camera here? They don't eat the full leaves. They will eat the leaves from behind, underneath, and they will leave this particular epidermis. Okay. On the upper layer is left. So they will eat from the bottom. And there are a lot of eating patterns. To find a caterpillar, you have to go under the leaves.
What is this?
This is another plant. This is a wasp there. That's a wasp. Okay. So this is the host plant for common pero and other peros of same kind. There is little tiger pero which breeds here along with common pero. Someday I'll show the caterpillar. Maybe caterpillar is here, but because it is thorny, I don't want to touch it. Okay. This is the lime plant which has been eaten by a lime butterfly. It will again come back. The leaves are eaten by lime swallowtail. This is here. Here it is there. Can you see the butterfly here? Lime swallowtail. Here, come see this butterfly. Eaten up. Okay. This is Lea indica. This is going to flower in summer. It's a very good nectar plant. Lea indica. It flowers in summers. This is cat's whisker. It's also a nectar plant. Throughout the year, it will basically attract. I'll show you a very interesting plant. And eggs also. Eggs also I'll show you. Okay. Want to see some eggs? If you are lucky. This is the plant. Can you see the butterfly here?
Yes, sir.
This is called red pharaoh.
Side.
It's called the red pharaoh. And can you see the egg here on this plant?
Yes sir.
Huh? This is the egg.
Which one, sir?
This egg. Small white egg.
Oh.
Okay.
Hey, that egg white?
Can you see the egg?
Yes, sir.
Chotu's egg. Can you see this is the egg of this butterfly? This is the red pharaoh. It's a blue. It breeds on this bryophyllum called Kalincho. Kalincho is this plant which is breed. Now it will come automatically. Caterpillar will come here. Don't worry. Okay. So these are all the same Kalincho is here. Lot of eggs will be there. The best part of this particular butterfly is the caterpillar. Now it burrows through the leaf and stays inside the leaf. It doesn't come out. Understood? Na? It eats from inside the leaf. So you cannot see the caterpillar outside. Caterpillar always stayed inside. So soon, within next 1 week, we will be able to see the caterpillar. Come back soon. When you see a crumpled leaf, that means the caterpillar is inside. Lot of eggs are being laid here. Lot of eggs are being laid. And you can also do one thing. If you are lucky, if you are interested, you can take some eggs at home and rear the butterfly at home. Okay, but you need to use fresh leaves. This may be not be having egg. Huh?
Sir, this one. Sir, here. What is
No, it is not an egg. It is not an egg. No, the eggs are it is easily identified. You can take the egg and see that.
Sir, this one?
Yeah, this is the egg here. Yeah, this is the
Sir,
egg.
can I pluck it?
Yeah, no, not now. Not now. This is the host plant for your crimson rose and common rose. This one. Crimson rose and common rose. Absolutely indica. It is still growing. When it goes big, then the butterflies will come and lay eggs on this. This is a very difficult plant to actually have, garden. It grows very slowly and always there will be caterpillars here. But unfortunately, they have not laid eggs till now. They will definitely come back. Similar, there is another species of Aristolochia. It's called Aristolochia tagala. This is also host plant for southern birdwing. Southern birdwing, the biggest butterfly is the host plant for southern birdwing. Okay, this is the host plant for brown owl and orange tail owl. This is skipper. They both are skippers. And there are caterpillars here, but I can't find them because the caterpillars create this kind of threads. They create the threads. Can you see the threads? They fold the leaf. With this particular thread. The caterpillars maybe are there, but I will show you images. But I don't have I can't find a caterpillar. Finding caterpillar is difficult. They will be having folded leaves, and yellow colors, plain yellow color caterpillar will be there inside the leaf. We have 2 such plants in the campus. Okay. Huh? Show it. Huh? No, that is not a caterpillar. That's not a caterpillar. That's something else. Okay. But finding caterpillar is not difficult here. But I think they have become big and already pupated. That's why you can't see. Huh? Folded leaf में होगा. Huh? There's an ant. The ant there, nothing else.
And I hate
It's an ant, not a caterpillar. Okay. We'll find the caterpillars here soon. We keep on coming here, we'll find the caterpillars. Okay. So along with the brown owl, this is orange tail owl, which is very rare but we have seen in campus. Orange tail owl. I have reared this on this. We have reared this on this camp on this particular. Oh, hopefully it will be caterpillar. Yes. Hopefully. I told you they fold the leaves. Yes. Is it a caterpillar?
Nice.
Yes. Here. Here. This is a caterpillar brown owl. Can you see? They will become this big. Okay. So this is the first instar, second instar caterpillar. Yeah, possibly. Yeah, they're also there. Here. So they are there. So caterpillars are here. I told you. So you can rear them at home. You can take the leaves and they'll become adults. And release the butterfly here. Okay. So I showed you caterpillar today. And this is Exora. This is nectar plant. This is also host plant for zebra blue. One butterfly called zebra blue. They lay eggs on this. Okay. Lumbago auriculata. This is the host plant. They breed on the flowers. They breed on the flowers. So finding caterpillars.
Okay.
Huh? No, there is no caterpillar here. Nothing.
Sir, chili video बनाना है.
Chili is also there. Okay.
मैं सिखा रहा हूँ मैं.
Cameraman.
In the campus here.
Cameraman.
हाँ? ये था पेड़ बेटा गिर गया. It fell down. I'll show you a very beautiful insect here. Come here. This is called a bark mantis. Can you see the mantis here?
No, sir.
This is the bark mantis here. This is a mantis. This is a very predatory insect. It feeds on other insects. Okay, bark mantis. There are many types of mantis available. One of them is bark mantis. Okay.
Sir, there are 2 of them.
That maybe 2. I'll show you. Come. That is great orange tip. Great orange. Can you see the great orange tip? Great orange tip. Yeah. And there's a grass yellow here somewhere. I'll show you grass yellow. Yeah. You see, this is the striped tiger. Can you see? Striped tiger or common tiger? Striped tiger. One of the nymphalids. One of the brush-footed butterflies. Okay. No. We can. Don't do this. You will not be able to take. You are taking a sessions photograph. Okay. It's difficult to take photograph of this. We require a still camera. Don't do this kind of thing. If you are really interested, you should not disturb butterfly. Very simple. Okay. Come. कौन सा वाला? Yes, this is crow. This is a crow. उड़ा दिया तुमने. This is a common crow. Common crow and striped tiger both are there. Okay. You have seen common crow and striped tiger. कहाँ पे?
सर यहाँ पर उड़ रहा है. Orange और white.
ये बड़ा वाला great orange tip. It is it's nectaring on Exora.
Cameraman, please focus.
You come and see.
Please focus all the trees.
Try to note down.
Where focusing me, bro?
Pictures. Let me know what you have seen. Okay, that is your task. How many butterflies you have seen today?
So many.
Tell me. This is small butterfly here, somewhere flying. Huh? Emigrants and these are emigrants and great orange tip. Emigrants and great orange tip. That's a great orange tip flying. What's the emigrant? Lemon emigrant. Okay. But a cameraman should be steady. You should not, do it in zigzag fashion. So we have had a session here. Please do come on season. Season is starting now. August, September it will be the peak season. After August, September is the peak season and you will see many butterflies in the park. By that time, many more trees. I have planted these trees, these plants. These are called, lantana. And this is going to attract many butterflies. Soon you will be seeing this plant has grown big and lot of butterflies coming on the flowers. Okay. So So with this, we have come to the end of the session of this park. Do keep coming here. Try to identify butterflies, and I'll try to fetch some brochures for you so that you can go through the brochures and identify butterflies. Okay, I'll give you brochures. I have to purchase the brochures. Each brochure is 100 rupees. So if possible, you pay, otherwise I'll pay for my product. Okay, no issues. Okay, we'll give the brochures. Thank you. Okay, thank you, madam.